Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dirt and braking jump. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Salishan Mao here, and what better place and day to test the Wltoys new metal brushless buggy. Yes, this is a brushless version, as they stated. Before, Wltoys desert buggy, the very same one, I have posted a review on my channel and it was brushed version. But this time, this is a brushless version. What else is new in this buggy? Well, they have these shell plates in metal. The plates that you are watching outside, they are metal plates. Kind of cool to hold. I mean, feels cool to hold the buggy in hands as well. So before I actually drive it here off-road, go ahead and check out the specs of this buggy. Now that you are back, let's drive it. But do remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell icon so you stay updated for all the upcoming uploads. Well, let's drive it. Well, it's still running a 7.4 volt 1500 milliamp Li-ion. I don't know why, but hey, as far as the brushless power is alive, who cares? Am I right? So battery fits nice and good in the compartment right there. And then let me tuck the things in. Ooh, it sounds like that six-wheel drive I had with metal planetary gears and everything. Ooh, well, a jumpy bumpy kind of wheelies, but we are not that powerful to pull wheelies. Driving performance is okay, not bad. Trim seems to be right because I was playing with it at home. I set the trims. First tip over, turtle. That could have been a nice jump actually. Let's try again, go back, go back. All right, and here we come, full speed. Yeah, slightly left heavy, I think. I don't know why. Maybe they try to balance the brushless motor with something. I hit that brake really hard. Handling is good, but it often tips over and goes turtle, which I don't like. Say, it always goes at one side. The brushless motor is at the right side. So let's say which way it's actually heavier when jumping. Say left side. I don't know why. When I'm going, it's left side heavy. When I'm coming, it's, well, it's still left side, of course. Yeah, you saw it actually. So basically, once it jumps, it actually tilts to left side. That shows that they tried to actually balance the brushless motor by putting some weight, and probably that weight is too much. Okay, I managed to do that jump. This stick is still here. This was my windsock for my paragliding. Still here. All right, let's see how it handles the rock crawling. It is not the rock crawler, people. Remember that, it's not a rock crawler. But I'm just trying to see how it handles. Oh, nice, man. That was nice. Okay, let's come back from this side. The gears sound really nice and new, man. I'm sure they actually smell new as well. It does handle the rocks, okay? Let's try this rock. Well, I managed to do that. I was actually trying to stay on top of the rock. So yes, it is actually doing the rock crawling as well. Handling the off-road really nice. That is not bad. That is actually a plus point. That with the bashing of the buggy, you can do slight rock crawling as well. Slight, not hardcore, okay? That's what I said. Alright, let's do some more speedy thingies. I'm sure I can climb that up. Nice, that was nice. Can I jump it? Man, I gotta get a nice ramp made because I want to jump. See, again, to the left. Let's try again. We are still here, and I'm sure we have plenty of battery. That was nice. To actually properly balance it, left and right, and then it will jump nice. I'm sure about that. That was okay. This time I did it, people. Not bad, not bad. It's actually fun. I wish I had some kind of desert here around. Sometimes I do miss desert for RC car videos. Or at least dirt, you know, dry dirt where you can fly the dirt, you know, by bashing your buggy around, see the dust flying, dirt flying. I mean, that is something, man. But here in China, come on, it's just raining, raining, raining all the time, and we cannot do that kind of bashing as we want. So yes, handling is good, performance is nice, speed for a brushless buggy, man, no. I mean, I have seen faster brushless buggies, so speed for a brushless version of this Wltoys desert buggy is definitely not good. So yes, speed for a brushless version, I am kind of disappointed. It's not that fast. Fast enough, but not that fast as you would expect a brushless to be. However, you will notice the difference in power, because buggy does have power now. Compared to brush motor, it does have more power. And braking jump, that was nice, man. It's still alive and kicking. Okay, that's not gunshot in my background. Those are just fireworks, don't worry. Alright, that's enough bashing. Let's bring it to the road and see how fast it is on the road. Not bad on off-road. Not bad off-road. It's a good off-roader. It handles everything nice. But in terms of jumping, I am really having serious issues with that weight balancing that did in there. Ooh, check this out. This is a tricky part, man. And I managed to did it. Awesome. Man, I wish the rains will actually stop now, because it's just been too much raining and I hate it, really. Everything is wet everywhere. We need dry, sunny days to bash the RC cars. Oh, I did not see that water puddle there, but did Wltoys said that, I mean the Wltoys, did they say it was waterproof? I'm not sure. Maybe they did. My Citroen C5 Aircross can climb up this really nice. And the four-wheel drive Buggy, of course, no problem for it. Alright people, here's the road. Let's see the speed.